season 4 needs some travel. So we are heading south for the winter. Yes, it's our first long-term trip. You can see my breath because we're still waiting for it to be daylight at Dark Nest because it's raining. It's the nasty Michigan weather that we intend to leave for 4 months. So we are going to be officially snowbirds on this trip. We're going to take our time down there, getting down there. So we will bring you along. Figured, since it's so windy out here, that you'd love the wind noise on my phone. But here's the Florence, Kentucky rest stop. And there's the parking. There's the parking for the rigs. Of course, the mothership is resting. My hair can be a little messed up for this part of the video. Day 1 of travel on the way down south, we had some good luck. We stopped at about 5 at a rest area after we got out of Covington and got through Cincinnati and Covington, and we were on the Welcome Center type rest area, not even a Welcome Center in Kentucky, and we decided to stay at the rest area, which has a lot of overnight camping. We called the Walmart, which is 5 miles south of here, and they said no camping. So I tried to start the generator, for those of you out of the loop, and it just clicked at me. So I think that there's a short in our converter. So we got to sleep in like 33, 34 degree weather all night. So we're a little rough this morning. But I ended up getting up at 10 to 6. I took 3 Benadryls, by the way, to help me sleep because I was just wound up. I got up at about 6 and turned the battery switch on, and the generator fired up. So I will show you what the result of that is. That's the result of the generator working. A nice fresh pot of hot coffee and the heat blowing behind me. So I will keep everyone updated on this trip. I'll probably combine this with a couple of other clips that I'm taking on our way down. We're heading down to Athens, Alabama right now to camp at a spot. And the spot we're going to is operated by a guy named Wes, according to RV Parky. And the biggest complaint was that there was a rooster crowing in the background. Wow. People just love to be negative Nancy's. In fact, last night I think my name was Nancy because I was very negative. It was cold and miserable, but we woke up this morning, so we're good. We're in Kentucky still. I figured I would get this Dutch bakery since Maria's Dutch, and it's still windy out here. But here's a Dutch bakery here. I'm going to show you a little bit inside. It's closed on Sundays, but maybe the side door's open. I don't know what I'm going to select, but I'm sure I'll show all of you because you love seeing me eat. Okay, this is a Amish Dutch pastry, and I'm going to take a bite of it. This is raspberry and cheese. Sorry you didn't get to see the strawberry and cheese or the chocolate, which was just pudding, but the pastry itself, look at the texture on that pastry. Now watch it go in my mouth. Ready? That's delicious. You can't get any better than that. Oh, maybe you could. No, you couldn't. Maria gives the confirmation you can't. Farmwald's Dutch Bakery. And there's a zoo over here too.